the rise of AI. How will it affect us? If we go back to the Renaissance age, that gave us the change in intellect and art. The industrial age moved us from manual labor to mechanicalized productivity. Then it's the printing press, where information can be distributed faster and faster. And then it's the space age, where science and technology was utterly out of this world, literally. And then the digital age, with the advent of the computer, the internet, how information was stored and shared and accessed, all put us in a different place. But here, when it comes to AI, the game has completely changed. Technology is moving faster than ever. AI is creating disruption as well as amazing capabilities and potentials. So we need a different mindset. We need the mindset of a startup entrepreneur. So our old habits of learning and implementing technology has to change as well, which means we need agile companies with agile teams. With AI, information is becoming about as ubiquitous as air. So being first, best, or different is a greater challenge. So we have to ask ourselves the question, what is our passion? What problems are we solving? What type of teams do we have to help us get there? Do they have the mindset for this journey? It's important to look at the history of AI, milestones, and breakthroughs. And then when it comes to ethics, how can it be regulated? How can we be fair? What kind of transparency will we have? Will diversity be affected? The future of AI and human collaboration is key. The augmentation of data versus human is the key point that we want to keep in mind. The call to action will be creativity, collaboration, leadership, and ethics. The jobs that will be lost are those who do not embrace AI versus those who do. As we talk about the future of AI, we can't just talk about machine learning or deep learning. We also have to talk about how, as individuals, we brace ourselves for these changes. Are we ready? The rise of AI. It's exciting. Yes, it's creating disruption and uncertainty, but really, can you pinpoint a time in life where there was complete certainty? Let's be ready. Let's future proof our organizations.